So this time, magic blusher again, the Cheek Color, the 30 ml, the long-lasting, and the waterproof. Perfect kung pang summer. Perfect sa uwan, kay long-lasting siya o waterproof. So what I love this one is pigmented. Easy to apply, blendable, affordable, o perfect pang everyday use. Convenient siya gamitin, guys. So paano magitawag siya ng magic? Okay, from white to pink. Diba? Because ano ba yan? Hulot na siya, guys. So, I've been using this agaw for 1 year and 3 months. Tipid na, guys. Amoy na akong ganahan. Pwede dasan sa pang eyeshadow, pang bata, pang lipstick. Perfect na, guys, ha? So, that's all for today's video. Sa gusto mag-order, just check out my basket sa Blue Appy Amy. Bye!